Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're jumping into a topic that's on a lot of people's minds: how to actually make money online in 2026. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another one of these videos? But stick with me because we're not talking about get-rich-quick schemes or vague advice. We're diving deep into the real, actionable strategies that are set to dominate the digital landscape in the coming years. The online world is changing faster than ever. What worked 5 years ago is old news, and what works today might be obsolete by tomorrow. That's why we need to look ahead. 2026 might seem far off, but the foundations for success in that future are being laid right now. The key isn't just about finding a new trend, it's about understanding the fundamental shifts in how we work, create, and earn online. It's about building skills and assets that will have lasting value. So grab a notebook, because we're about to unpack the future of online income. Let's kick things off with the creator economy, but with a twist. By 2026, just being a creator won't be enough. The market is getting saturated. The real money will be in what I call the specialized creator niche. This isn't just about posting vlogs or dance videos. It's about building a brand around a specific, high-value skill or area of expertise. Think about it. A virtual reality interior designer, a biohacking coach who uses data to optimize performance, or an AI art consultant who helps businesses create stunning visuals. The opportunity here is to go deep, not wide. Instead of trying to appeal to everyone, you focus on serving a dedicated community that values your unique knowledge. How do you start? Identify something you're genuinely passionate about and see a future in. Then, start learning everything you can. Document your journey. Share your insights. You don't need to be the world's leading expert on day one. You just need to be one step ahead of your audience, guiding them along the way. Your content becomes the marketing for your deeper, premium offerings like courses, coaching, or specialized services. Next up, let's talk about AI. And no, I don't mean AI is going to take all our jobs. I mean AI is going to create entirely new categories of jobs. In 2026, one of the most lucrative online hustles will be the AI integrator or AI workflow specialist. Small and medium-sized businesses are drowning in data and inefficient processes. They know they need to use AI, but they have no idea how. That's where you come in. You'll be the expert who understands how to connect different AI tools to automate tasks, analyze data, and supercharge a company's operations. Imagine setting up an AI system that automates a company's entire social media content creation, from idea generation to posting, or building an AI-powered customer service bot that actually solves problems. These aren't futuristic dreams. The tools are already here. By 2026, the demand for people who can skillfully wield them will be through the roof. The best part? You don't need a computer science degree. You just need curiosity and a willingness to experiment with the latest AI platforms. Moving on to our third major trend, hyper-personalized e-commerce. We've moved past the days of generic dropshipping stores selling the same 10 products. The future of online retail is all about customization and unique experiences. By 2026, consumers will expect products that are tailored specifically to them. Think about a skincare brand that uses a customer's selfie and a short quiz to create a unique formula, or a clothing company that uses 3D body scanning tech via a phone app to create perfectly fitted jeans. The opportunity for online entrepreneurs is to build a brand around this concept of deep personalization. You could partner with on-demand manufacturers to create custom products. You could use AI to offer personalized recommendations that are actually helpful. The key is to make the customer feel seen and understood. It's about building a relationship, not just making a sale. This approach creates incredible brand loyalty and allows you to charge premium prices because you're not just selling a product, you're selling a bespoke experience. Now let's touch on a more service-based model. The rise of the digital guild. Think of it as freelancing 2.0. Instead of individual freelancers competing against each other on massive platforms, we'll see the growth of small, curated collectives of top-tier talent. These guilds will be focused on specific industries, like Web3 marketing specialists or sustainable brand strategists. Being part of a guild gives you the flexibility of freelancing with the support and credibility of a larger agency. Clients will prefer hiring these guilds because they get a pre-vetted collaborative team that can handle complex projects from start to finish. For you, the online professional, it means access to bigger clients, better rates, and a community of peers to learn from. How do you get in on this? Start by networking with other high-level freelancers in your niche. Build relationships. Collaborate on small projects. Prove that you can work effectively as a team. Soon, you can package your collective skills and pitch yourselves as a premium, all-in-one solution. Our fifth point is all about digital real estate, but not the kind you're thinking of. I'm not talking about metaverse land. I'm talking about building and monetizing niche digital assets. This could be a highly trafficked blog in a very specific hobby, a suite of software templates for a particular industry, or a popular newsletter for a professional community. In 2026, the value of these focused, high-engagement digital properties will soar. Why? Because they represent direct access to a dedicated audience, something that's becoming harder and harder to get through traditional advertising. Think about it. A company trying to sell high-end coffee equipment would much rather sponsor a newsletter for coffee aficionados than run a generic ad on social media. The strategy here is patience and consistency. Pick a niche you care about. Create genuinely valuable content or tools for that niche. Grow your audience slowly and organically. Over time, you'll build a digital asset that you can monetize through advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, or even by selling it outright for a significant profit. Let's discuss the evolution of education and coaching. Online courses aren't going away, but the model is shifting. By 2026, the most successful online educators will move away from the one-size-fits-all pre-recorded course. The future is in cohort-based or live learning experiences. People are tired of buying courses they never finish. They crave community, accountability, and direct access to the instructor. Imagine a 6-week live bootcamp where you learn a skill alongside a small group of peers, with weekly Q&A sessions and group projects. This format delivers far better results for students, which means you can charge significantly more. It's more work, yes, but it's also more fulfilling and more profitable. If you have a skill to teach, start thinking about how you could structure it as an interactive, community-driven experience rather than just a collection of video files. This high-touch approach is what will separate the successful educators from the rest in 2026. Finally, let's wrap up with a mindset shift that underpins all of these strategies. To make money online in 2026, you need to stop thinking like a hustler and start thinking like a CEO. Even if you're a one-person operation, you are the CEO of your own personal brand and business. This means you need to be strategic. You need to think about systems, branding, and long-term value, not just quick cash. Ask yourself, am I building an asset or am I just trading my time for money? Am I building a brand that people trust or am I just another anonymous face in the crowd? The people who will truly succeed online in the coming years are the ones who build sustainable, scalable businesses around their skills and passions. It's not about finding a magic loophole. It's about providing real value in new and innovative ways. So, to recap, we've got the specialized creator, the AI integrator, hyper-personalized e-commerce, digital guilds, niche digital assets, and cohort-based learning. These aren't just trends. They are the pillars of the new digital economy. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Pick one area that excites you and start learning. Start building. The future of online work is incredibly bright for those who are willing to adapt and innovate. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this gave you a clear roadmap for what's to come. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And for more deep dives into building your future online, make sure to subscribe. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these strategies you're most excited about. Until next time, keep building.